Make your own fitted sheets from the flat ones you already have on hand. No need to buy them because they can cost more than double. Easily turn your flat sheets into fitted sheets. No more tucking of bed sheets every morning as it holds your mattress perfectly. When you stitch your own fitted sheets, you can easily turn your flat sheets into elastic. Or buy fabric to customize bedding to match your decor. Since mattresses come in different depths, making your own gives you control over the fit. The process is as simple as sewing a few boxed corners. Laying the measuring tape straight on top of the mattress. Take the measurements for width, length and thickness. Measure your bed measure exactly from one edge to the other. Now it's time to figure out your fabric measurements so you can cut your sheet. You can easily calculate on your own, using the guidelines I have shown in this tutorial. The width of our mattress is 73, length of our mattress is 74, and the height of our mattress is 7 inches. Suppose your bedsheet is in rectangular shape. I have added the height on all sides. These are the corners which we are going to cut out from our sheet. Start with the width of your mattress, 73, and add the height twice, 7, on both sides. Add another 2 inches for seam allowances and extra fabric to slide under the mattress, 7 inches plus 2. Do this on all 4 corners. Now add another 1 inch for seam allowances to the width of your mattress, that is, 73, plus 1. This total will result in 92 inches. Do the same in length, that is, add 1 inch for seam allowances to the length of your mattress, 74 inches plus 1. And this total will result in 92 inches. As you can see, 92 inches is the width of your fitted sheet, while 93 inches is the length. Cut your sheet to size. That is 92 inch by 93 inches is. Cut the sheet's corners. Now you'll cut off each corner. As you can see, we shall cut each corner of size 9 by 9 inches. The cut should be a square. You can cut them out individually or pile the 4 corners together in one spot. Mark measurement on both sides. Cut out the square using a pair of scissors or a rotary cutter. Your fabric will look like this after it's cut. Do the same with the other corners as well. Sew from the sides like this, using a 1/2 seam allowance. Overlock the edges. Repeat for the other 3 corners. Then try your fitted sheet on the mattress to make sure you're on the right track. Our boxed corners will look like this. Now we will attach the elastic. Measure 16 inches in both directions from each corner seam. Mark those spots with your fabric marker. Cut an elastic of measurement 12 inches for each corner. Secure one end of the flat elastic and sew a few zigzag stitches. Choose a width that allows you to sew onto your stretched elastic, and just barely off onto the fabric on each side. The easiest way to attach the elastic is to pull it as much as you can, then finger pin it to the fabric in front of your sewing machine, and pinning every 2 inches minus 3 inches. Don't pull the fabric, though, just keep it tight. Once you reach the next 16 inches mark, sew a couple of stitches on top of one another to secure the elastic. Repeat for the remaining 3 corners. Here's how it should look when it's done. Now it's time to add the hem. Top stitch the hem all around from the wrong side. Ta-da! You have a new fitted sheet ready to go on the bed. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. And share it with your family and friends.